Had a big snowstorm here in North Carolina. Out checking the property, checking trees. Stayed in yesterday. It's pretty bad. Chickens, this said chickens are having a time. I'm worried about the new ones down there because this is their first time being exposed. Pond's totally frozen except for one little corner the ducks are sitting on, so I'm gonna check that out. All right, I got these girls taken care of. We don't get a lot of freezing in North Carolina, so I don't have a water warmer, so probably something new gonna have to figure out. But all right, down to the next chickens. All right, we're checking on the new girls. Brought them some fresh water, some food, throw them some grub worms just to help them with the shock of everything. This looks like it held up pretty good. I'm gonna check the back of the coop and make sure it's watertight because we didn't get the roof finished. We got to do that when the weather passes, but I threw a tarp up there. I'm gonna clean this snow off and we'll see how she comes. I'll report back. Checking the coop. Looks good and dry. So I think we did good there. Probably do a little bit of sealing up, but yeah, looks like everything's doing okay. All right, the snow apocalypse of 2022. All right, thanks for watching. So the pond froze. Ducks have us one little corner I'm about to show you here, but I haven't figured out how to make it over to their feeder. So I'm gonna take a scoop of food, just throw it over here. It's been a little stressful for them, so I'm gonna throw some food out. They're coming to me. That means they're desperate. They usually run from me. All right, gotta take care of the babies. Yeah, they were pretty desperate. So I'm gonna move some feed over on this side of the pond because we're gonna have a few cold nights. So not sure if this is gonna remain frozen. So some good learning opportunities for me for next time. So all right, thanks for watching.